First of all, mobile shopping, conducting quick searches, price comparisons, ordering and logistical status checks through their mobile phones. Different environment from that of weird internet business. Small screen size allowing customers to quickly access pertinent information. Mobile advertising, user-oriented advertisements, various types of sales information, appropriate push and pull mobile advertisements, location-based customer service advertisement. Mobile portal, type of customer interaction business, optimizing the user's mobility through the wireless web. For example, sports, news, weather, maps, and traffic information portals. Substantial increase in mobile enterprise portals, targeting companies rather than individual customers. Mobile games, playing in a wireless internet service environment, huge market in the mobile industry. Biggest advantage of mobile games, it frees the user from dependence on computers. Competitive advantage of mobile games on packet switching networks, charged by the amount of game information transmitted. So for the mobile music, one of the most successful mobile business applications, effect of smartphone, facilitating the use of mobile music. Mobile customer relationship management, expansion of mobile CRM, contacting and transmitting information in real time to their customers, suppliers, and managers, maintaining their personal sales record and managing individual customers' information. Finally, mobile hotel business, adoption of mobile business applications, increasing considerably in the hotel industry, opening his hotel room, searching and transmitting information, reviewing hotel restaurant menu, ordering food, purchasing products from automatic vending machines, and checking out.
So these are different mobile apps. We have Booking.com, Musafir, and can you just name me some more?
I can think of Cheapo Air, for example.
Cheapo Air. I think O is capital and Cheapo Air. Okay.
Yeah.
Skyscanner. Okay, so
Skyscanner, yes.
So there are a lot of, so these are they are using the mobile apps or their restaurant menus, ordering food, and automatic vending like hunger station kind of thing, machine and checking out.